starving in Zaire. Close your eyes and count to 10. The sky is falling, dear. It's always something, something you're wanting that will make you whole. Some piece of nothing you need so badly that you sell your soul. How many inches is your screen? Are the images too clear? Just channel surf the news away. The sky is falling, your God is calling. I may not know it, I may not see. It's always something messing with me. I may not like it, but it will be. And if I fight it, I'll never be free. There's always something we could be learning from these windmill folks. It's always someone you least expected who really knows that there's no better time or place to read between the lines on your face. Stop choking on that grain of salt. The sky's not falling, we've just been stalling. I may not know it, I may not see. It's always something messing with me.